What's up, traders? It's Mark here at DynoTrading, coming at you with today's video recap. You can see here the time is just about 12:30 p.m. in the afternoon. Folks, I can't tell you what an absolute pleasure it is to be done with your technical analysis by lunchtime. You know that's not the first time you've heard me say that, all right? I strongly believe that there is plenty of opportunity just in the morning session. Anyway, let's get right into it, folks. What you're seeing on the screen today is the Nasdaq. Why are we talking about the Nasdaq? Well, in today's video, what I want to do is try to help you guys keep an open mind. All right, look, I know a lot of you guys love the S&P 500, and don't worry, for all you S&P 500 lovers, I've got the S&P 500 queued up. It's right here, okay? But I firmly believe that if you have any hopes and dreams and desires of being a successful trader, and realize how hard that is, okay? Realize how many people dream of being a successful trader, all right? And also realize how few succeed. And this list that I'm going to read out for you here is, in my opinion, what I think it takes to succeed, all right, at potentially trading any symbol, any Forex symbol, any future symbol, any stock symbol. So here we go. This is the list, all right? Guys, if you can grasp these three concepts that I'm going to explain to you here, I can promise you that you are going to turn around your technical analysis starting today. Not tomorrow, not next week, not next month, but today, okay? So let me scroll this over here. Very short list, folks. Number one, volatility. This is a good thing. Volatility should be your best friend. Folks, it's very difficult, again, in my opinion, to make any money trading quiet markets. It's not going to happen, right? You got to try to identify violent, volatile markets. This is where the most opportunity takes place on a daily basis, and I think this selection can make or break your success. It's true, man. All right. Second piece, know your trading hours, right? What did I say when I just started this video? I said there's plenty of opportunity just in the morning session. Now you can trade after lunch, right? You can certainly trade until 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 9 o'clock. I don't know why you'd want to, right? You need to know what are the best times to do your technical analysis. And of course, folks, the last piece, risk management, all right? You have to understand that day trading is like almost a video game, all right? It can be a very fun experience type of video game if you know what you're doing, and it can be a disaster type of video game if you don't master this concept of risk management, which is why I tell everybody, for God's sakes, trade in your simulator for at least 30 days. Nothing wrong with that. That's what the simulator is there for, right? And my platform comes with a free simulator baked right into the platform. You follow? All right, so now that we've reviewed that list, okay, let's try to apply those concepts to the market. Okay, so step number one on that list was volatility, aka selecting the right volatile symbol. That is why I'm showing you the Nasdaq, folks. Okay, this thing has been on fire on every asset class. Nasdaq futures, Nasdaq Forex, and Nasdaq stock has been through the roof. All right, so step one's in the book. Step number two, knowing the right hours to trade, which in my opinion is the morning session. I like to be at my computer at about 7 o'clock in the morning, so I'm going to go ahead and timestamp 7 o'clock with this blue line here. You guys see this blue line? I hope you can see it. I hope it's visible. All right. Step two from our list is in the books. Now on to step three, risk management. What does that mean? Well, that means trying to look for low risk, high probability setups. Let me illustrate this for you, folks. This green and red color band, this is our volume indicator. This is a directional filter, and it only has one job, and that is to try to tell you who is in control. Are the buyers in control, or are the sellers in control? Make sense? So once you've picked a direction, then what? We want to look for retracement patterns. You guys need a refresher on retracement patterns? Well, here you go. Here's what a retracement pattern looks like. Leg one, leg two, leg three. That is it, folks. That is the entire pattern sequence of a retracement. That's all it is. If we try to superimpose this, isn't that interesting? Setup number one. If we try to superimpose it again, isn't that interesting? Setup number two. Right? Folks, we only had 2 setups on the Nasdaq today for a shocking 1,000 ticks or pips, if you're following along Forex, potential on the Nasdaq today. This is again just in the morning session. Look at this. 2 setups. That was it. 1,000 potential ticks. Okay? Folks, this doesn't have to be hard. This doesn't have to be complicated. Okay? This is a common sense approach to supercharging your trading. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.